to the point.
Inshallah, we might have raised 2 million. Alright guys, the content's about to be crazy.
Oh, that's crazy.
Are you saying we're opening the window?
Hey, close the window, bro.
You can't eat it for breakfast. The lights are beautiful. When you step on it, they all come on one by one as you step. On our way to Marrakesh. Guys, you never guess what happened. Imagine they didn't charge me for £15. They tried to cancel my whole flight. And then I couldn't do check-in and it was some drama. But we're at Gatwick, about to go to Cash.
Don't let him lie to you. He's just fucking B-Tech. That's what he is.
Yo, listen to him. Yeah, man, UK's boring. So once we touch Cash, the vlogs will start properly. Right, guys, we're currently at Valentino's villa. He's doing a rent essay on it, and he's told us to stay a couple nights with him, which was really nice. But look to my surprise. Oh my god. Beautiful. He's got his logo on the pillows. Look at the towels. Look at the feature wall. Guys, it didn't look like this before. Look at the other room. Beautiful. This is a proper setup. You guys didn't see this before, so you don't know how proud I am of Valentino. You guys are looking for a 5-bed villa. You can go to our student. Nice balcony. So this is in a Kenza residence. You know, Valentino's gotten really well. Yeah, he's built out his own CRM platform. You know, before he was asking me about properties and how I get them. Just doing it myself now. Aircon, he bought them, done them, got them installed. Amazing job. But yeah, he got this for 35,000 dirhams per month, which is around about £2,845. So about 2.9k a month for this. I think he got it 4 months. So 2,900 times by 4. So he spent about 11.6k. This is very nice, guys. This looks so professional. Like to have the logos, just that small touch. Like this room genuinely looked empty. Like it was just that bed with just that. It looks nice now, but it genuinely looked boring. And then he added that, like that, and he'll probably add LED lights and a little tree here or so. It will genuinely on the TV. He'll probably have it on the wall. This is going to look absolutely sensational, especially with the towels there as well. But this would easily go for, because he's starting this out from scratch, this particular villa, probably 250 per night. But he can most definitely bring this up to like 350 to 400 once he starts adding, you know, pool table, ping pong table, cinema room that he's going to do downstairs. But at the bare minimum, right now at 250. And he's already working with agents. I've heard rumours that he's got a 2-month booking. So I'm going to find out. But he can easily get 20 days out of this. At the bare minimum. That's so minimal. He can easily get even 25 at the moment. And at 250, which is worst case, that's 6,250. And at 6,250 minus the 2,900, I know there's additional cost, but that's at 3.3k. And Valentino's not going to partner with a management agency. He's going to be hiring people. And you know, hires here are like 4,000 or 5,000 dirhams per month, and he only needs one person. So that's going to come out to about £325. So even if we deduct that £325, deduct all the cleaning costs, as much as you want to deduct, he's still going to be around that 2,500 mark. So 2.5k profit per month for this. And he can most definitely get at least 5 of these. That's why they're 12.5. I mean, he's already got units in Tangier. And he's closing on this one. He's closing on 2 more. I wouldn't put it past him if he starts closing 1 a month at the moment. But road to 10k right now is looking pretty easy for Valentino. Wouldn't be surprised if he's already doing it. Road to 20k soon. Osama! Say hello to the vlog.
Because I know you're waffling right now.
I'm not waffling, I'm talking to the audience.
You talk too much.
I'm not talking
Just
too
gotta
much.
get to the point.
Let's go and see. Oh, very nice. Valentino's still touching things up. TV's all done. Beautiful kitchen. He's getting a new dining table to go here, probably pool table. We're with NS, our operations manager, has been with us all day. He's been helping the students with getting furniture and just, yeah, doing everything possible. NS, if you're watching this, the work you've done is superb. Very, very happy. You know what we got to do? Always got to check the fridge. Oi, Valentino, bro. If you're seeing this, this, bro, it's going straight in my pocket. Sun is beaming. To meet our marketing manager. Gonna go out for some breakfast. Breakfast at 8 o'clock. Has to be before 8 because we've got an investor meeting. Inshallah, we might have raised 2 million for a fund. Let's see how it works. Nice pool. I love these new patterns. The ground floor there, or the middle floor here, and up there I slept. I had that balcony there so I could see the pool. The actual owner, he was really nice. He saw us like his kids, which was really nice. Oh, we got our bag for clothes for content. You know, when you do a few videos in a day, you got to change outfits because you got to look homeless like you only wear one kind. Homeless like Osama, look at that.
Fuck off, bro.
Hey, getting in the vibe. Rise and shine. What I love about Kesh, empty in the morning. Alright guys, the content's about to be crazy. Osama, you excited? Guys, you know what time it is. Maybe you can take B-roll.
I think I want to get a jet ski and keep it like Buznika. Yo, Jamal, close the boot.
Just with one of our students doing a viewing. Bit of a sandstorm.
Bro, that's crazy.
Are you saying we're opening the window?
Hey, close the window, bro.
No.
Bro, I can't see fuck all. Oh my days.
Very nice pool. I know the weather's not looking the greatest. Really nice living room. And then we've got another seating area here with a big TV, which is really nice. We then have, very beautiful kitchen. This student is doing the rent to SA, so Airbnb arbitrage. So renting this, I think at 50, it's at 50k, we're trying to get it at 40. And then rent it out. This is easily 400, 500 pound a night. One of the bedrooms, TV on the wall. They all connect to the swimming pool, which is very nice. Another living room, one of the bedrooms. Nice double beds with the board, very hotel style. And then swimming pool, you can hear the wind. Let's go upstairs and see how it is. Another floor just came out. The lights are beautiful. When you step on it, they all come on one by one as you step. Really nice. Oh, much bigger bedroom. How many bedrooms in here? Wow. Bathroom as well. It's a very good viewing. It's like amazing here. Wow. Nice balcony. Another bedroom. Nice. We definitely need to go for this. The attention to detail is amazing. And all of this is a window. Can you imagine all of this, like, all opening out 360 degrees? Like, windows from there all the way around. That's beautiful. There's a lot of living rooms as well. Another floor upstairs on top. Got another bedroom. Very nice. Another bedroom in here. Another bedroom in here. I don't think I need to show you guys the rest of the house. We're going for this. Beautiful. Look at that.
Let's go, please.
Yeah.
40.
Okay.
What's that?
Where's my roll, bro?
With the way you're acting, I need to buy you one.
Bro, listen.
Sabah al-Noor. Beautiful day in Marrakesh. So today we are meeting Ryan, our marketing manager. We have 15, hopefully we did about 17 yesterday, so about 15 hooks to do today for content. Get a lot of B-roll so we can get you guys some halwa, some beautiful content out there. We have viewings. I need to chase up our solicitor for 2 of my students doing a JV together. So we visited one of the villas yesterday. It was beautiful. It's like 50,000 dirhams per month. The villa was so plug and play. Like the interior. You know what? Ryan probably be watching this. Ryan, a box right there. And in 3, 2, 1. And you should be seeing the walkthrough now. So beautiful. So plug and play. Like it was sensational furniture. Very high end. Like you could list that very easily at £400 a night just to begin with. And once you build out that account, you could be getting 500-600. I mean, you're going to be having people from Qatar coming in. You know, when you build out a CRM with agents, they can start getting you private bookings. It's easier said than done. I know it sounds like a crazy concept. But it's, as long as you're connected and you can do a lot of outreach. But like, if you can do that for something like that, you can get a couple months booking. Oh, ahlan wa sahlan. What are you saying?
You're telling me.
What's your haj? Ça va?
Get it, man.
Yeah, you're energized. Hey, hey.
This was the top of the pool,
Hey, I need you looking cute, bro. you ready for some breakfast?
Breakfast, always ready for some breakfast.
Always ready for some
Always.
breakfast. Okay, once we get to the breakfast spot, I'll show you guys what we're eating. You guys probably know, same as yesterday, we like to keep it simple, like to keep it refreshed. Some orange juice, bit of cappuccino, and then the beautiful eggs. Guys, look how dirty this car is. Can you see it? That sandstorm from yesterday proper messed it up. Look at the price of that, that's beautiful. 35 dirhams. Just show the man them.
£2.88.
35 dirhams. £2.80, right? £2.80 for breakfast.
Nice.
I am coming here every day. Hey, let me get some add-ons. I'm getting orange juice. You know what? Let me keep that as a surprise for you guys. Let me show you what a £2.80 breakfast gets you in Morocco. Here's what a £2.80 breakfast looks like. We've got a cappuccino, khubz, orange juice, butter, olive oil, honey, emlou. Comes with the eggs as well. It's not bad. Almost £3 breakfast. Very happy. Give them the review.
It's alright.
Bismillah. Okay, that was good. Cappuccino. You know the vibe. Oh, that's a good cappuccino. Ooh. Very nice. What's that? A goat. I didn't show them the scenery.
Oh wait, no, it's the bike.
Who is that?
On the bike, no.
Oh, it's him on the bike. I thought it was the goat.
سلام. الحمد لله الله يحفظك.
خير. مشغول
سلم. شوية قول لي.
امين عيط لي قال لي يا هي سنت صيفط لك الفلوس الا كان ممكن can you help him with the contract حيت بغاو يسينيو اليوم غاديين عند النوتير.
راني عارف صافي قلت كيفاش غادي عند النوتير تفوقاش اليوم؟
يا
هنا ساعة أنا هو زعما هاد العشية نديرو.
They're going in the next 2 hours.
2 hours.
Next 2 hours.
Something like that, yeah.
وراه خصهم يقولوا هادشي هذا
ما
راه
قالولكش.
انا ماشي فاست فود انا راه خصهم يفهموا هادشي هذا. لا صافي سي بون انا نقادر.
اسمع لينا
لا حيت انا قال لي فور توداي تو ما صيفط زعما حتى العشيه ان شاء الله صيفطوا له ما قاليش زعما وي غانا ساين توداي.
ما قالكش اتو بعدين نسوي شو تسوي ذا تايم.
لا ولا هضرت معاه راه قال لي قلت له اوكي صافي قال لي I need it for today. اخر ميساج قال لي كرييت سولني على البنك اكاونت يعني ما سولنيش على الكونتراكت صافي قلت انا وياه قلت له gonna get it today that's it.
صافي واخا. اوكي let me confirm مع امين time.
For students in the villa, so we thought to get them some nice دلاح. يلا زيد.
Oh, I don't know where to go. Bismillah.
Is it good? Let's see. Yunus, Esh.
This is what I meant by cold. Like this.
Try it. How is it?
Come on, this is alright. This is alright.
Same, bro.